Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes? As I was saying, welcome back to my channel. Hope you enjoyed this video. So yeah. No, I don't want to excuse my foot.
Look, your foot dirty.
My foot is what?
Dirty.
No, it's not.
That I'm going.
Which other one are you going into?
No, put your foot up. Oh, bus are coming me.
The bus is.
Bus.
Where is you afraid of the bus?
Bus.
My ear look really crazy. Don't mind that. Don't mind that. Heart alive. Say hi. Look, man. Look. Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
What's up?
Soap.
Where are you going? See, I messed up my dress. You get dirty shoes. Alright, not my business. So today we should be going to like this dinner type of thing, like for my friend. She does I think hospitality and stuff like that. So they're having something at the school, so I'm supposed to go there to support her and stuff. She also has her own business called Old Style Bakery. So I'm going to link that her Instagram and stuff down below so you can go and check her out after the video and stuff. So yeah, so right now I'm just waiting on Talia. She should be here soon. So it is now 3:22. So waiting on Talia. It ends at 6. So as soon as she gets here, we're going to head on over and then.
You're sick.
You will run fast and catch him. You need to run faster than that, Mari. It's Talia. What's your aim? Stop.
No.
Hey Talia.
It's a
Hey boo. No way. Hey guys, this is Renee. Yes, she be chefing.
Try man, I try man.
You know, take a video of
No.
Oh, it was our pleasure, guys. If you liked today's video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.
No, it's not gonna last very long. It's gonna be very short lived.
Gecko mussels.
Who's muscles?
Gecko.
It's gecko. It's gecko. Oh.